Hello, students. Today we will learn 10 lines about clackers. Clackers are a type of toy that consists of two plastic balls attached to a metal rod. They were popular in the 1970 and 1980 among children. They come in various colors, sizes, and designs. The goal is to clack the balls together by swinging them in opposite directions. Clackers required hand-eye coordination and timing to master. Clackers are also known as clacks in some regions. Clackers have inspired similar toys and games like clickers and spinners. Some clackers have additional features like bells or LED lights. They can be used as a stress relievers or a fun toy. Despite being a simple toy, clackers provide endless entertainment and challenge.